Tradovate versus TradingView. Which one is better for active traders? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we're comparing Tradovate and TradingView, two popular platforms in the trading world. If you're an active trader looking for powerful tools, speed and flexibility, this breakdown will help you decide which one fits you best. Now, let's go ahead and start with Tradovate. So, Tradovate is a futures trading platform designed for serious, fast-moving traders. It offers commission-free futures trading options, access to real-time market data, a sleek cloud-based platform, support for desktop, mobile, and browser. It's basically made for people who are deep in the futures, day trading, or scalping and want a professional feel. Now, let's talk about the pros. Fast and responsive execution, mobile and web friendly, integrated with TradingView charts, multiple pricing plans, including a commission free. Cons: focused only on futures and future options, monthly platform fees unless using their free basic plan. Now, this is best for active future traders who want speed and clean execution. What is TradingView? It's a charting platform known for its beautiful design and large community. You can trade through it using connected brokers, including Tradovate if you want. It's all about technical analysts, alerts, indicators, and scriptable strategies. Pros: best in-class charting tools, huge library of community indicators, works on multiple asset classes, stocks, crypto, forex, futures, etc. And it is browser based, no installation needed. Cons: not a full broker, you need to connect a broker to trade. Some features are locked behind paid plans, and there is no direct order routing unless integrated. Now, this is best for chart focused traders who love customization, analysts, and flexibility across markets. Okay, so go with Tradovate if you're focused on futures trading and want a fast execution with built-in trading tools, or go with TradingView if you're into multi-asset charting, technical analysts, and want to trade through multiple brokers. But you can actually use both of these together, so you can connect your Tradovate account to TradingView and get the best of both worlds if you like to do so.